Be gentle.
Be gentle. You have 2 different shoes, Rory. Those aren't the same. Yeah.
Morning, Kayla.
Morning.
How'd your blood test go? Anything exciting and eventful about it?
Nope.
Nice. How's it going for you? We are headed out. Got some running around to do. Paperwork to pick up.
See you later, guys.
Construction materials to get.
Oh, yeah.
And yeah, so there's a thing called pipe dope or something. And you can put it on top of Teflon tape, the stuff that I put on. That also helps to make a seal. And plumbers say that it's good stuff. So I'm going to get some of that, because that might make a difference. Because the sink is just very
you have
slate.
to take off the pieces that you just put on?
Possibly. I don't know. The sink is easy. I can just screw it off and screw it on. That's not a problem. And that one is barely not ready. Like, it just very drip. Long time drip. So it's like super slow. So I think adding something else, that might be the answer. I don't know how the tub is going to work because it's got to wait for it to dry. Because the tub I can't unscrew, I just have to cut the pipes every time, which is annoying. I mean, it's fine, but we're going to go out and get some of that stuff, and I feel like there's one other thing I had to do. Rory's insurance information is always wrong. Like, we tried to change her birth date on the insurance paperwork months ago, but it's still wrong, so we got to go into the office and try and figure that out. So, we got to. Come along, we'll see what we'll show you. Probably not much, but I don't know.
You're a nugget.
Up.
What is it?
That's a Mima.
It's not a Mima, it's a playground. Can you say playground?
Mommy?
For Rory?
Yeah. People.
There's people on it?
And that's oh.
Does it look like fun?
Yes.
Rock climber.
Bobby. Where'd that come from?
House.
His house?
I'm pretty sure Bobby came from his house.
I love you, Rory. You're funny. Or the words we give you are funny. Alright, I've given myself a few days buffer of short clips and no time lapses and stuff like that. We're going out again. Well, we're going out to go biking. So we'll roll some B-roll and time lapses and stuff like that. We've got paperwork to collect, and it's late, so we're gonna go get some dinner from Subway and Panera because they both have their own respective discounts going on, which is exciting. Oh, it's hot in here. Wow, it's hot. But we're gonna go biking then after that, after we collect everything and eat dinner. So let's do that. Let's go biking. Are you excited? I was gonna ask you that before you took a giant bite. For your first bike in, what is this, like a year?
Well, we'll see. We don't know how much of a bike it'll be.
Well, are you excited for it? Like, what's your thoughts and feelings going into this? Are you nervous? Nervous? So nervous?
Yeah, because this trail has hills. I don't know if I'm going to make it up the first one.
Or which way do you want to bike?
think that way.
So that we end on the hill?
There's a hill at the bottom of this hill.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm saying. You have to bike all the way back up it at the end.
Oh, this is a big hill.
Yeah. We could always walk to the top of that hill. Although I guess there's a big hill coming back up too.
Yeah.
Alright. We'll see how it goes. What do you got, Rory? Guess this was supposed to be a B time lapse, but it's okay. Putting all our silverware back in. Don't want to lose it.